Okay, so let's start today's session. Question number 1. Join fast. So join fast, only 8 participants I can see on screen. They have joined. 9 participants.
Last 6 seconds.
10 participants out of 11. So we should start the first question. So first question on your screen. What is pollination? What is pollination? 2 minutes time you all are having. One answer I have got. What is pollination? Based on the chapter Getting to Know Plants, we are having this question. What is pollination? 90 seconds left. Total. Last 70 seconds. Don't do copy paste. So 7 participants have given their answers. Last 20 seconds left total. So time's up. Let's see the answers. The process in which pollen grain from anther is transferred to stigma. So first answer is correct. Second answer is also correct. Third answer wrong. Fourth is somehow transfer of pollen from male part of plant to female part, but from where to where you have not exactly mentioned, so it will not be correct. Male anther of flower, 2, incomplete answer. So it will also not be correct. Pollination is of transfer pollen grain from male anther of a flower to female stigma. Okay, this can be considered. So let's see the points table. Ruby Sonu Kumarpal. Let's move to the next. Write the name of pollinating agent. Write the name of pollinating agent. So one have written veins, one have written insect, birds, boats, water, wind. Pollinating agents are animals such as insects, bird, bats. Pollinating agents are animals. Any more answers? One have written water, veins, birds, insects, bats, insects. So let's see the next. Question number 2. What is the female reproductive part of a flower called? What is the female reproductive part of a flower known as? Total time 2 minutes left. The female reproductive part of a flower is known as what? Dash. One answer I have got. Female reproductive part of a flower. 5 answers I have got total. Seven answers total. Total time 50 seconds left. Last 40 seconds. Type your answers. Don't do the copy paste thing here because it has been checked manually. So if the answer is copy paste, it will be done wrong. 8 answers I have got in total. So time's up. The correct answer is pistil or carpal. So first answer correct, second correct, third wrong, fourth wrong, fifth correct. So let's see the final points table. This time Sonu Baid first with Kumar Pal. In second position, Chesta, Ruby, Deshna, Chahat, Arya. Write different parts of pistil. Write different parts of pistil. What are the different parts of pistil? Stamen. Okay. Anyone else? Different parts of pistil. Stigma, not stigma, it's stigma. Style ovary. Okay. Anything else? Stigma, ovary, and style. Okay. Stigma, style, ovary. Good. Stigma, style, and ovary. This is perfect with comma. Okay, when we write the different words, the constituent part words, we use comma. Very good. Flower, stigma, ovary. Okay. So let's move to the next. Question number 3 on your screen. What is chitin? CHITIN. What is chitin? Total time of 2 minutes 120 seconds left. What is chitin? What is chitin? You type your answer, don't do copy paste. You have total 150 words, that is more than enough for an answer, for 1 marks or 2 marks answer. 150 words is more than enough. What is chitin? Last 80 seconds left. You have to type your answers on time because every exam contains maximum 3 hours 180 minutes. So we should be prepared for the timings. 3 answers I have got. Last 20 seconds. Time's up. 9 answers I have got total. Chitin is a tough sugar complex that forms the outer covering of some animals. Chitin is a tough sugar complex that forms the outer covering of some animals. Okay, first answer can be correct. Fibrous substance. No. Part of flower. No. A fibrous substance consisting of, okay, correct, consisting of polysidation. No. Long chain of polymer of N. What N? That famous part of hard outer integument, especially of insect and crustacean. Okay. Fibrous substance consisting of polysaccharide. For what? Can be correct. So let's see the points table. This time Sonu Kumar again on top. Second Chahat. Third positions are Chesta, Ruby, Deshna, Arya. So let's move to the next. Unscramble the jumble words. Unscramble the jumble words. Total 5 words you are having. Unscramble it, type it, it will be seen on screen. The words are jumbled. You have to find the correct word. 5 words. Okay, so I've got skeleton, backbone. Anything else? 3 words more. So A, movement, B, skeleton, C, face, PHAC, okay. D, muscle, E, backbone, okay. So I'm getting these words. Yes, who's this? Sakshi 259. Movement and locomotion is same in animal. True or false? Movement and locomotion is same in animals. True or false? So I've got 2 answers, both for false. Three false, one true. Any more answers? I'm giving time of last 1 minute. 5 answers I've got. Movement and locomotion is same in animals, true or false? So 50-50 for true and false. Last 45 seconds left for your votes on true and false. Okay, so now true is getting more votes. Last 20 seconds. So let's see the answer. The correct answer is false. Only 4 participants have given the correct answer. Name the part of leaf marked 1 to 4. On your screen you can see it has been marked 1 to 4. So what is 1, what is 2, what is 3, what is 4? Just type 1 dot, write the answer, then 2 dot, write the answer. Similarly 1 to 4, all of you mark. So 1 cuticle, 2 upper epidermis, 3 palisade, coiroplast, not coiroplast, chloroplast, then xylem, lamina, petiole, stomata, stipule. Part 1 petiole, part 2 midrib, part 3 lamina, part 4 veins. Good. Any more answers? 1 lamina, 2 patihens, 3 chlorophyst, not fist, it is chloroplast. 4 xylem. 1 petiole, 2 midrib, 3 blade, 4 lamina. Okay. Any more? Let's move to the next. Young unopened flower is called dash. Young unopened flower is called dash. 3 options you are having. A buds, B ovary, C sepals. Young unopened flower is called dash, buds, ovary or sepals. 3 options you are having. I have got 4 answers. 5 answers. Total time of 2 minutes left. Last 95 seconds left. 7 answers I have got, 8 answers. Answer fast, only 1 minute 75 seconds in total left. Young unopened flower is called dash. 10 answers I have got. So all the 10 answers is for option A, and that is correct answer. So let's see the final leaderboard points table. So the winner is Kumar Pal. Fastest answer was given by Chahat. Second position Sonu, third Chahat, fourth Chesta, then Ruby, Arya, Deshna, Teeth. So Kumar Pal is today's winner. The PDF will be sent after the class.